So we start off with this super cute wolf cut style. I love the red and black color combo here. So gorgeous. And I love how she has the red lip here with that look as well. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So for today's video, we are going to be taking a look at one of the hottest trends on TikTok, and that is of course wolf cut style haircuts. Now this is a look that has actually been trending for the past couple of seasons, and it doesn't seem to be dying down anytime soon. There's a lot of different variations and ways that you can wear this haircut. Wear it long, wear it short, and of course mix in some color with it as well. So here we have someone getting the wolf cut into their hair. Now what's great about this trend is that it does offer a lot of texture to the hair. It adds some volume through the use of the layers that the hair is shaped and placed within the strands. Oh, wow. So she has the split dye hair trend going on with the wolf cut style cuts. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely gorgeous. Contrasting hair color, black on one side. And then here we have someone with a wolf cut. Now hers doesn't have the bangs, it has more of the... I love the color for her hair. She has blonde going here, mixed with black. Very pretty. And then here we have someone with curly hair doing the trend. So she's going to be cutting the wolf cut style herself. She's doing the unicorn method in order to achieve the look. So if you have curly hair and you're looking to add some shape and volume to your hair, this would be a good way to achieve the trend as well. Here we have someone else with curly hair. So she's doing the unicorn method to achieve this aesthetic as well, placing the hair in the ponytail, and then another sectioned off ponytail down below to make sure she does an accurate cut. Doing another section. And then there we go. We got these stacked curls, the form of a wolf cut. Next up, we have someone who has shorter hair with the trend. So like I said, you can achieve this look with many different lengths. Longer hair, shorter hair, really doesn't matter. So you can see the stylist here shaping that hair. Very cute. She's got the Bridget Bardot bangs going there. Very rocker chic. Next up, we have someone styling their wolf cuts. So she has more of the shoulder length style going here. She does a flip under method for the very back portion of the hair. Mixes in some texture by doing the flip. Gorgeous. Next up, we have someone with mid-length hair getting the cut. Face framing bangs. Gorgeous. And this haircut, of course, is very 70s inspired. Definitely has a shagginess and appearance feel to it as well. Here we have someone else getting the wolf cut. So I think what really separates the wolf cut style from a shaggy cut is that the wolf cut does have more layers to it. And that's really how you can kind of distinguish it. I feel like it does give you just more layers to the hair. So it does add a little bit more volume than the shaggy cut, depending on your hair texture and how the cut is actually achieved. So she's putting some curls in her hair. Doing a bit of that flip up under method. You can also achieve this look with curtain style bangs, or you can get the full Bridget Bardot style bangs. That's full bangs in the front, surrounded by curtain style bangs. So you can see there she is flipping the hair up under. And here she is curling the bangs. Really achieving that feathered appearance with the look overall. She didn't like the way that came out, but I thought personally it looked pretty good to me. So cute. I love the way that this turned out. And that's how you would style the wolf cut at home. Really taking your time and doing those flip under style curls. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you are wanting to try this hairstyle, leave me your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.